What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets with Junior for a quick update on the RBP full build giveaway.
So if you haven't heard about this yet, I'm not sure where you've been, but there's 1 week left to get entered to win. And like Fuller said, it's a free full build. It's free wheels, free tires, and a free lift kit, all from RBP.
Plus, we're also giving away something to the second place winner. You get a $500 credit towards basically any RBP accessories. And they've got
a lot.
Yeah, fuel doors, grills, their new steps. I mean, like just about everything you could ever want for your truck. RBP probably has something to offer for you guys. So you probably want to know, how do we get entered?
Easiest way is to pick up a Custom Offsets RBP 9line t-shirt from customoffsets.com/RBP, and that gets you entered to win.
So you'll notice on this shirt we kind of had a theme going on it. So we got the gray, the white, and the blue. Part of that is for thin blue line. So we've also partnered up with Cops on this. So that at the end of the contest, as you guys know, we usually make a contribution to a charity, and this time we are doing it with Cops, which stands for Concerns of Police Survivors. So for me, this is one that really hits home. Being an officer myself, it's great that we as Custom Offsets can give back to Cops as they provide for those families of fallen officers.
So this contest ends on December 7th. Yeah, it's like 5 days away. You have like 5 days left to get entered to win. After that, contest is closed. Shirt will be no longer available, and you can't get entered after that.
Yeah, it's not even 5 days. Like, it's ending like basically right now.
Yeah. So pick up a shirt, get entered to win, customoffsets.com/RBP. We'll be going live on the 10th at Nine Line's facility in Savannah, Georgia to pick first place, pick second place, and pick some other winners for some other goodies as well.
Yeah, so enjoy the weather there. That's what we got, customoffsets.com/RBP. Peace.